Can you improve your bottom line with a better system? Do you have the right software for the job? Do you have too many Excel spreadsheets? These problems are not going away by themselves. Let's discuss your needs and find the right solution for your business. The Ativo Group. We are business management software specialists, and we help you beat your competition to the punch. Hey, Kathy, thank you so much for taking my call. I wondered if you knew of any system that could pull in miscellaneous purchases along with vendor payments made by credit card?
In Mass 90, all the modules are right here down the left-hand side. I go to Accounts Payable, Main, and I just go into Invoice Data Entry. I can search here, Name, Contains, and I put in my credit card vendor, which I'm going to select American Express. Select my American Express company and put in my invoice number. The invoice date that's on the statement and the statement amount. Anything subject to discount, any prepaid invoices, and here's your terms code. Next, you go to the next lines tab, number 2. And here, it will default with the full amount. You can go ahead and get that out of there because what you're going to do is transfer over the amounts that were paid with your American Express. So I'm going to go to the transfer information box and I'm going to look up those vendors that this American Express bill paid. Name contains, and I'm just going to go ahead and put in part of the vendor name. And here's my vendor. I select, and here's the invoice numbers. This invoice, this top one for $17.50 was paid with this American Express card. So I say okay. Then I go to the next line and I go and select the next vendor that was paid. I just go back to my transfer information and now I'm going to search for the next vendor name. This name contains, and find it. Here's my vendor. Select. This one has a memo attached. Just go ahead and hit OK there. And here are the invoice numbers. We paid this one invoice. I'm going to go ahead and keep it in there. But we also paid a second invoice with this one. So it's going to default back to the same vendor number. I don't have to enter it again. So I'm going to go here to my invoices. And now I'm going to select the second payment that we made. Now you see that my distribution balance is 0. My total is $2,600, and that's what my American Express is. All I do here is accept, and then I can update it, and now when I pull up my aging, that American Express invoice has those vendor payments in it, and I can drill into them. Adrian, if later you need to go back and process this yourself and you have questions, there's always this little help box right here. And you can go in there and pull up combined invoices for credit card vendors into one invoice, and there is your help screen to help walk you through it when you don't have me around. And that's how easy it is to go ahead and combine invoices and make your payment for your American Express card in Mass 90 and Mass 200.